The Transitional Stabilization Program reform agenda is the first phase of the implementation plan of the Zimbabwe medium-term plan called Vision 2030. The TSP has 7 reform areas: governance, human development, investing in public infrastructure, service reform, productive service reforms, institutional reforms to achieve stability, growth and development, and macroeconomic imbalances. Financial inclusion is important for women so that they can have opportunities for access to financial resources and capital to boost their informal businesses, which will result in increased productivity and incomes. One of the TSP strategies is to implement the National Financial Inclusion Strategy, which was launched in March 2016. The strategy seeks to enable low-income and disadvantaged segments of society to have access to affordable finance to micro, small, and medium enterprises because of lack of credit history and requisite collateral. By the time the TSP was launched, the government had availed a total amount of $441 million. According to the TSP, the number of women with bank accounts increased from 769,883 in December 2016 to 935,994 in December 2017, representing a 21% increase. To further this cause, the TSP hinges on 2 main banks that would assist women, which are the Women's Microfinance Bank and the Empower Bank. Due to historical socio-economic and cultural practices driven by patriarchy, women have been found to be more disadvantaged than their male counterparts when it comes to accessing justice at the courts. Regarding access to justice for women, the TSP will give impetus to the new dispensation initiatives to improve access to justice for the citizenry, including women and other vulnerable groups. Women are the major consumers of health facilities given their reproductive roles and their roles as mothers, housekeepers, and care providers. The TSP has stipulated 3 key areas of interventions, namely, establishing a public health insurance scheme, improved drug supply, and strengthening the supply chain management and importation of drugs. Devolution and decentralization represents the marking of the Second Republic of Zimbabwe under the TSP. Generally, devolution and decentralization provides opportunities for women to fully engage with their provincial and local authorities, demanding provision of socio-economic services such as water, electricity, roads, community development, among others. One of the thrusts of the TSP is to ease the housing shortages, which currently stands at 1.25 million. The TSP approach is that of community participation in infrastructure development. This means that in the delivery of infrastructure projects and programs, government will ensure that local projects promote inclusivity and social equity as part of the broader strategy of ensuring communities participate towards the development of their environment. According to the TSP, investment in education is a key poverty reduction strategy, as well as a vehicle for producing a skilled and capable workforce required for enhancing production. The TSP calls for undertaking a skills audit. The skills audit results should be used by institutions of higher learning in the strategic planning processes so that faculties and departments appropriately respond to national and industry skills gaps. A key component of the TSP delivery is servant leadership. This means that opportunities and spaces have been opened to demand women's space in national development processes. Women and women's organizations should demand their space as provided for by the TSP.